This is probably the second most amazing plant shop in Japan. There is a similar one closer to Tokyo. This here is in Fukuoka area, and look at all the plant assortments that they have and how beautiful they are displayed. And of course they also have such stylish pots to put the plants in, like this here, so cool. And all kind of wood stuff, like look like this here, truly gorgeous. And it's so huge. Even outside they have like a garden plant, so here you can go crazy about this very fussy difficult to grow babies. Mine managed to almost die, but look how beautiful and healthy they look here. That's because they are not yet at your home. Yes, they are very difficult and fussy, but I just want to show you the design of the shop. And look how cool this is. Wow. So many ideas for how to style your house. And if you have a plant shop, of course all these baskets, African style, even such a suitcase is really cool. And this huge rooms. And more of the fussy plants in these that are very hard to satisfy, but it looks so nice, like a family picture. You people know their name, right? Wow, so many cuties. And then of course the lovely cactuses and kringles and aloes. Such nice presentation. Look, even this one in a half cut bottle. Succulents, cuteness, cactuses, and then pencil something. What's the name of you, baby? Cactuses, ferns, pileas. Variegated stuff. And more ferns. And the world of begonias and anthuriums. All of these cool begonias are huge. Dracena and more philodendrons here. And then dry flowers that you can make decoration like this. Mother's Day stuff in glass, and then flower pots. Oh, cool. Yeah, like the best plant shop in Japan. It's the same family. It's called The Farm. Wow, look at all these. And even this is so stylish. And this. Wow, look at this. It's inside a tree trunk. And what an amazing tree trunk. Wow. Look at these happy calatheas. So happy. No scorched leaves, no dry edges. So cool. This too. Artwork cactus. Look what an artwork. And it's alive. And look at this $4,000 fern. How huge it is. It's like a chandelier, of course. That's why there are many together. That's why it's so expensive. And look at this huge monster. It's also like $900. So this is the name of the farm. Even outside it's like this. The total plant paradise. Can really make you crazy and drop all the money you got when you come to such an amazing place. So we're gonna have a special only on petunias. They have like 40 different types of petunias only. And so many cute aliens, like, what are you? What are you? Alien. Huge. Or like this alien here. What are you? What are you, plant? Amazing.